Chad Daybell, the Idaho Doomsday author, has been handed the death penalty for the gruesome murders of his wife's children and his former spouse. The jury's unanimous decision, reached on June 1, followed Chad's conviction on May 30 for the murders of Tylee Ryan, 16, and Joshua J.J. Vallow, 7, along with his first wife, Tammy Douglas Daybell, 49. Chad, known for his self-published Doomsday-themed novels, chose not to make a statement during sentencing. The Tammy Douglas Daybell Foundation expressed gratitude on social media, acknowledging the efforts of law enforcement, the prosecution, and the public in achieving justice. Despite the closure of the trial, the pain of the losses endured by Tammy's family remains palpable. However, they find solace in the hope of reuniting with her someday. Chad's legal troubles began in June 2020 when authorities discovered the remains of Tylee and JJ on his property almost a year after they were last seen. Following this discovery, suspicion mounted, leading to Chad's arrest. Tammy's death, previously considered natural, took on a sinister turn when her remains were exhumed, revealing evidence of homicide. The trial painted Chad as a man driven by desires for sex, money, and power, willing to eliminate anyone obstructing his ambitions. His and Lori's marriage in November, just 1 month after Tammy's death, raised further suspicions. Lori, Chad's spouse, was sentenced to 3 consecutive life terms in prison without parole for her involvement in the murders. Chad's trial unfolded over several months, revealing disturbing details of the crimes, including allegations of conspiracy, insurance fraud, and grand theft. Prosecutors depicted Chad as someone who viewed his adversaries as zombies and dark spirits. These revelations shocked the community and garnered widespread media attention. Despite the guilty verdicts and sentencing, questions linger about the motives behind the murders and the extent of Lori and Chad's involvement. The tragic deaths of Tylee, JJ, and Tammy serve as a stark reminder of the darkness that can lurk beneath seemingly ordinary lives. As the legal proceedings conclude, the victims' families and the community at large begin the long process of healing and coming to terms with the senseless loss of innocent lives. Though justice has been served, the scars left by these horrific events will endure for years to come. This extended version provides a more detailed account of the case, delving into the legal proceedings, the victims' families' reactions, and the broader impact on the community.